Wait, I'm a repair.
Choo choo.
I hate
Gain
you
na biyahe,
so
guys.
much.
What did Kipoy do? You're the one wasting his time. What the hell?
Wait.
Uy, albino monkey has come online.
Sige ba, sige, join in and out kay. Actually, bago ra ni out kay tungod out na pod nila.
One minute.
Wait, dapat
Init na ang engine.
naka-Glimmer's Portal. Napili yan.
1 minute, Yanks. God be with you.
What do we do? Ay, abalong
Third
nila ba dito? Can we do the rabbit hole again? Ay, nara.
Kung dili ko ipaparte, muadto na ko.
Sabit! Ay, wasa maka. I'll invite you up here.
10 seconds.
See?
10, 9,
Ay, shit.
Ako pa tawag
Eight.
mo troll unta ko ba mo invite ko ni Kipoy.
Ah,
But then
okay po
nakabutang
dyan.
pending naman niya. This guy just didn't pick up Paula's invite for the lols. Wala bata.
Oh.
Let's para, dungan ta bola. Let's go.
Asa ka. Ay,
Hard.
Labing ko na ba?
It's so many.
wait.
What is so many?
Nag-invite si Keanu.
The question of Paula.
Asa.
Save
I feel like
portal na ka.
nag-starter lang to siya.
Nag-save portal ka.
Pangalan man na sa uyab ni Kirito.
Asuka.
Ako na, manggod ko.
Oh, aso na din.
Aso na di.
JD, why you do this?
Why are you here? Why are you Did
Because they fucked
You
up season
fucking
2. That's why I do this.
JD can't get slate. Not yet.
Oh.
Tuwarang ko Invis.
Ay, dili. No, ang slate siyan kay imo na kuan na ako kailangan siyan. Like, ang tier nga stone. Wait, i-check daw siya ang... Where are you?
I'm at deep root.
So, I'll check it later.
Ay, kitang manok.
Ang stone ra ang kailangan ana siya. Then, ako na bahala mag-process ana. Oh, wait. No, I can't. Fuck. I-process pa din na. Ay, nalang siya. I'll do it myself.
How can you get slate though?
Keep.
I think i-process na siya siya.
Link, i-process na yung previous.
Also,
Wala nag-hide og leather.
Ang previous tier, i-process niyo para maka-process ka to higher tier.
Ay na lang siya. Mas...
so a bunch of tier 5s para ma tier 6.
Yep.
I can get tier 5. Granite.
Granite.
I'm not sure kung unsa nga tier ang kailangan karon kay wala ko ni check. Pero I'll tell you later. Low tier pa man siya, so like mga maybe tier 4 I think kay bago ra man to na upgrade na ako.
Tier
Panahon.
4. Kuma na?
Oh. Unsa yung mana?
Kuma na kyan?
Fish!
Tier 4 is done.
Ano, nagkukul.
Unsa daw ya? Sa baa ni nila doon.
Can't hear kyan.
Keano's voice is so silent. Fucking use your fucking headset, you piece of shit.
Later!
What do you mean humana na later?
Are we just
Tanaw
all
na lang.
confused?
Taraw na nako siya. Taraw before. Mura gid ako kailangan na help sa taning. The rest is like fine.
Dami siya, pa-upgrade ka niya. But ka na ba niya tapos?
Buang ka.
Stone is freaking like, my god.
It's cheap to buy.
So it's if you buy a lot, it gets
It's expensive, man.
Yeah.
Stone, cheapest resource.
Saya nga na, no? Anong cheapest man? Gamit man na sa, like, buildings. Even in, like,
Not
imo
ever
ha,
a guild or a personal island. Cheap.
May even personal island. Daghan naman guro na mag-personal island. Ken?
I have one, I don't use it.
What the fuck?
Not
I-upgrade pa?
enough. Not enough to make it expensive.
Yeah. Just have it for decoration.
Wala pa na
Unlike-
ni mag-upgrade. Pag-upgrade na para makatanom na ka. May pulo sa yung island.
Unlike crafting items na it's a constant thing. People die, people buy, people sell.
Island, you have to grind.
Island kay freaking just leave it alone die yun.
Ang island kay kailangan bitaw ka mag-heavy grind.
Ano magigana?
Download, nag-try ko download yung Albion sa phone sa acid to slow as fuck.
Then you day wifi.
Yeah, downloading right now. Just
It's
in
like
case.
2 gig. You know, 2 gag. Guys, nakoy ice sculpture statue of the obsessed cultist. Do you want it sa island?
We
Did
wanted
someone say ice?
for ganking.
Is ice here?
And it's okay. I know you miss him.
Si Ice.
wait.
Is he alive?
Undead,
I-chat ba yan siya sa GC?
undead
Ay, o
archers.
no?
At Les Jomari. L not playing Albion.
Nagdula og CS ganina, man siya isot.
Ah, di ba? O, gihapon.
Performative gamer si Ice.
I didn't know that was a thing.
He
Your
talks
team.
about games but does not game. Like, you know.
Okay,
Kaya na
so
magid na.
I wanna,
He downloads games but never opens any of them. Ay.
Like,
Bay, kanang katong gahapon nga gistoryahan ninyo nga magdula mo download si Ice og horror games and forces someone else to play kay he wants to watch. Why doesn't he just watch streamers? Would have been way easier for him.
yun po, ugma ang Scary Movie 7.
Kita ka sa ilaha publicity ken nga ay na ay guy nga wearing the katong murder mask ko dyan yung wasa sa dalan sa New York.
Basta.
Gabi ka wild. Love how they didn't bend to like the critics' will na grabe daw ka offensive and whatever. I don't care.
Wala na ko eh. Testingan.
build.
Shit, sana all napaw na rin si Nick. Pagtugin ko na ba?
Mutanaw mo guys. Indot na ba? Do kita tanan diri Davao
Good
mutanaw.
watch it.
Ay, my bad.
Was, still here, what the fuck? Pinukuha
Kumusta naman mo dira apoy? Lingaw na mo.
Nagtatari na yung noted eh. Search.
Unsa pala?
Wait, yan.
Pili ko, nag-star ako din.
When did Keanu say he was joining?
Legit activity. I thought he was gonna join as well.
Ibungkag naman ako yung party by inviting you.
Nalaman me. I swear
Stupid.
to God.
Yan. Ay, ayo. Ikaw na tigaan yun. So what does this mean?
You're not waiting for Keanu, man.
Amo
He
na
was-
abalon.
Nama ko yung heal. O ka na,
Amo na abalon yan road mo sulit. Sa Uwood.
I don't know. Namig ko namig sa mali nga portal kapit. Namig southeast.
Black Zone, mantingali, I think sila kin.
Sabi mga balon yan.
Ah, may abalon yan sa
Sabi
Black
to.
Zone.
Yan road. Tapos ikaw, Black Zone?
May balon yan na dili. Black Zone.
Di, Black Zone, oy. Tanan, Black Zone ang abalon yan, tanan.
Masulod ba sa Black Zone? Di masulod.
Sa
Sulod
taas,
na diri
sa
sa...
taas.
Oh, you mean ang
Ay,
exit
dapat-
after?
Ay, sorry. Ito.
Yeah.
Sabi ko rin naka-less likely nga chance nga magkita mo kaya if mosulod ka nga black zone.
Like Minecraft.
Sa Paula?
Minecraft.
Yeah.
Minecraft.
Ano po ninyo random analogy nga I'm trying to find a way to make it make sense.
Newsflash.
What are
It
you
doesn't.
doing? What are you doing?
Kani.
Ay, wait.
Paula sounds mag-uban sila ni Kuan ba kipoy karon. Paula sounds like a kadaganing sister nga daghang questions. Hey, what's that? What are you doing?
Why are you in life steal? Naka-life steal ka?
Oy,
Yeah, you
Energy
freaking
man
liar! Ah, okay.
People is older,
Imo
so it
gi-change?
makes sense.
ay sa, basahan sa nako be.
Oh, wait.
Separator, affected enemy. Okay, roads target. Use to...
May tatagkuhan manok, may tatag 0.3. Unya. And we gotta do the rabbit hole.
Ano naka separator ato? What the fuck?
Kaya magpadaputin.
Is the rabbit hole you mean ay kadang Kuan Paula kadang
Manok says rabbit
smugglers
hole daw
kadang smugglers Kuan?
siya. Koan, dungeon in an Avalonian road.
Tara.
Dungeons
Tara,
out.
tara. Wait, asa ta? Asa tong destination? Kuan na
Dire, two maps this way. Abalan yan din. Pagkuan, kani. Saman, mag-save ta? Tinglayo na punta.
Magkita mo speak side dia.
Bro, ang kung ano ba nun? Duganay tao. Faction wars,
Dagayan siya?
faction wars.
High traffic area ba yan ni today?
Ano gud punta?
Ay, uban na ako sa imo. Usa ta?
Okay,
Okay.
drage.
Okay.
Bantay poy ha. Kamo ba ito duha ang una nga matay atong kuan?
Yeah, na-stuck magod ko sa work terrain. Naglag ko.
What?
Nahulot ako shit.
Straight na ta sa east.
Kuha na ko yung maulop eh.
Southeast.
Simula mas.
Isti gito nga black zone run oy gabi katawa ato yati.
Ito lang sa edge, Paulo.
Ay,
Nabuka na
niya.
ako equipment.
Napamantay yung isa ka kuan, 1 minute.
Isuda po dato yun. Diyan straight ang gihatag sa tuwakyan ba?
Yeah, it's 16 to 30. Oh well, never mind. Okay na. Ayun na pag-edge manok. Sayangay ang time. Sa Invis.
Ayaw na pag-edge.
Let's go.
Are you an edger?
Edgy?
Edger, Lagoon.
What the fuck was that? Did you see that? Sa portal? We are so cut, bro.
Mag-safe portal.
Dili man ka nga portal at tulog.
Yara sa kilid mo spawn.
Asa data?
Kalaban pa gayon.
It's the only port.
Dili.
Oh, delete
Kung
na.
na pwede, kaya pa sa mga 5 to 11 maps away.
Okay.
Or 3 day.
Ang ako good buhaton anak yan no kung like 6 or 15 people sa asa ako portal, I just leave and kuan kay 10k na ba ako bayad.
Yeah, to sila sa portal.
6 to 15
Nako,
is
high
not
thing aisle.
Oh, dira sa ka.
Sali ka
Dira ka
ng 6 to
ba-
15 kan ya.
Okay.
Sketch.
Ilidra ko.
How many people?
Sa 30
16 to
na.
30.
Like that.
Kana yawa.
Mga ano ka, mga to ko, yeah, ay na ay kuan. Fuck, I'm dead. I did it. I will stay here, manok ha, BRB.
Nay gangs.
Yan. Nasa kuan, nasa lag, bas. I will
Pwede
stay
yung scout
here.
na kulit pag-abot.
Lag north, atog north, ato sa kanang northeast.
Yeah. May tapat ka. Padulongay na ka. Dito tag 05. Wait, yo,
No,
bro,
no.
you are so risky there, Amyu. Na ay 6.1 nga ano.
Kailangan na adli mo kung minor.
Now watch wood. Good buyers.
Ah, you're not a miner? Why are you so short?
Tara, 6.5. Ay,
At ang
6.5.
minor.
0 to 5 manok.
0 to 5 dila.
Yes. Oh my god, a dude. Goodbye.
Asa?
Wala ba?
Hulong saan? Hulong ko.
Nay mga gidya. Nakadiri.
Ano mo dahil?
Kanang
Dili man
kanang
dili.
iana gani nga comsyan.
Hmm?
Moingon ka ba naipadulong nimo going southwest? Oh my shit.
Ara ko diri.
Okay, goods na. Kaya arita sa kuan. Nayabalon yung road.
Okay. Asa na? The second one or the first?
Kanang pinakadool.
6 to 15, no? Goodbye, bitches.
Tapos yung map sulod oh. What the fuck? ZF.
For
F.
me, wait for me. Unta na tong
Wala, isa na lang.
phone. Yeah, ay.
Ayan na Paula, isa naman lang din nabilin dira nga abalon niyan shit.
Okay.
You know what, fuck it. Arita dire sa kuan.
The second
Ay, sulod
one.
na ng portal ah.
Okay.
Dili sa second one.
To 15 gyapon. We are so cocked, bro. Oh my god, a dude!
Siguro na,
Wait, inspect sa ano?
Ayaw na, don't
Let's
fucking
go,
test
we-
fate.
let's
What the hell are you
go.
doing?
What are you gonna do? Gank him?
katog na.
Inspect him.
What if scout to patay gid
Tara,
kang
0 to 5,
inspect?
0 to 5. Oh, may portal. Dito ta sa...
Eh, portal oy. Dali, smart.
Okay. Okay lang. Ano siya nakakon.
Naglibog ko siya, nabi na ko mo uli ni nanay mo sister.
Naman siya. She's out with friends.
Oh,
She might be home late.
Graduate na din siya siyan.
Wala pa.
Ano ulit ras siya kay bakasyon.
Archit takes way too long. The fuck is that course?
kay ba kahapit ba ako mag-arki? Kana save
Mukha ni mga mab.
Iya rin ka.
Tara man dire ah. Tulad.
Yeah, let's go. Please be a rabbit hole. Heritos Inayong.
Inayaw mo.
Pag live stream na good mo ya. Wala pag live stream.
Nag-record. Na may, wala man manok. Pero na yung blue and green.
And purple.
Hindi mo na natin kaya. If only something what fuck was here
Kinsa man.
instead of fishing.
Grabe kiyan. Certain fat fuck daw ka kiyan.
Wala si Keanu. Alain mo, Gi.
Ludas
si
kiyan.
Keanu. You dumbass.
Nilag sige ano.
I don't know. Wala ka dong.
Oh, ano pa dulong?
Wait. Let's watch.
Konos Ubaya.
Please have a rabbit hole.
Dili.
Wala.
Habit hole dili. Rabbit hole.
Wala.
What?
Dungeon gani. Dungeon. Wala man. Kanang o huyos ezuyutam. Eyuzum di ay eyuzum.
Ha?
Fuck did you say?
Nasa near lang.
The fuck did you say?
Yeah, huyos. Huyos.
Isuyuk your cam.
Eyuzum di ay eyuzum. I don't know, bro. Is this Latin or is this alien language?
Patay your cow.
It's called horny. Yawa.
Ito mag-green?
Sekos Dungeonen.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Sekos Dungeon.
What does that mean? Eh,
Sex Dungeon.
Kaya na naghulat yun kung muingon ka.
Manok!
Na rabbit hole.
Oh, napoy hide! Can I go to the hide first?
Sip.
Basin
What?
Never mind. Mag-dungeon sa taka basin mahoro. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
What do you mean you're gonna go to a hide?
Ano to?
We go straight?
The autistic roleplay.
You can't. She is.
Dili mo pangalan dire sa kuan. Abalon yung road. We're not making this shit up.
Ha?
7?
Roko
Out,
lang
nako.
ah.
Here.
Ang here ni Paula ba, like, it rises in interval per here.
Ay, bro. Yay ka manok!
Because
Partially deaf na ko gamay. Naroon sa karon siyan.
Sabi nung loot crate ko. Tapak.
Mine.
Blue man.
Blue! Kira na.
Kaya no, Echum is still fishan.
Hidden Sanctum.
Sanctum, ginawa.
Patay, Morgana.
Yeah. Kira.
Bay,
Pakikalo.
nanapod ng bitch nga mag-summon og bats that will fucking explode on your face. Fucking hate those Morgana cultists.
Esa pala. Kanon.
Okay. Ang buff.
Okay, Kapalit pa food buff.
Wala naman ni soup para di kaayo. Gasto. Ayusin na. Okay, ano na din.
Wala nga na, nag-hit lang. Ano kasi madami kapatid, dami.
Na 1/4 ang dago.
DPS lang, DPS.
Yeah.
Na nag-heal kung kailangan na dyan. Pasag dira ng book.
Okay. Ang Q double na ako, DPS. Never mind, agad eh.
So many taglobs.
Ito mo buto eh.
Kay Mano. Change ko?
Saan kita to people ba nga nag-mining gani diri ah? Sa ore.
Yes.
Gave me flashbacks to if na mula bayrag kalit niya takes every single ore.
Yeah. When I went sa snow, I encountered some of those people.
Wala siya, na-agro like.
Yeah, di mo agro. Fuck.
No.
Ay, pero...
Aminos, where are you, Aminos? Thanks for the ruby.
I need a
huh?
data. Okay. Give hit. Ayun na na. Okay.
Ito tier 7 nga kuan kanang Seiyos
Yeah,
Holocaust.
Oh, times
Yeah.
4. Sige. Ano siya itong
Oh, na
atira?
next.
Ano siya itong atira?
Oh, that was a hunting boss.
Walay mo nag-ano mo premium.
I forgot! Wala pa. Okay ra?
Do it now.
Although... Ayaw sayangan! No. O sa, human ani. Like, 2 ka rubber tools and then I will get it.
Shagit man siya.
Ito, karabe tol. Karon pa pag namin. Ika.
Sige.
Start
Okay
na lang
okay
niya. Ay, it's
Wala
3
na,
days.
nasa bank.
Ay, putang shit. Gibili niya. Di man gyapon na kaya ba ka, even if you carry it, no one can take it away from you.
Bro, I didn't know that.
Pero good nag when you die sa black zone,
Pwede na makapag ibiling sa bangko.
tradable, non-tradable item, ano? Di mo nila hilaptan.
Kasi niya gibotong sa bucket para
bro.
gusto
You're dying.
Guy. Still plan. Pila ka ng 3 days na phone. Oh, back.
I don't think you could sell a 3-day premium. It's like, what, 150 siguro? No, not 150. Like,
Guy, this mad lad fucking gets 5 mobs. Jesus Christ, alone. Ay, naman di kay life steal, you mother... Wait lang, wala.
Mother what?
Mother... Something.
gentlemen.
Ay, sa, wait lang.
Why
Sidihin,
are
sidihin,
you
sidihin.
not saying the words, Paula? Just say the word.
No, basin makuan ko.
Just say the word.
Plug.
Pussy. Nahadlok ano kay, na-warn ka ningon kag bayot.
Dili, sa YouTube.
Bay, we have like an N-word.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Are you kidding me?
Magyari mo lang
is
yung
that?
kuwan. I have the
Alam mo,
aggro.
report
You
na
get it. I have the aggro.
Shut up, nigger.
Nice.
So, di ba, Keanu already shouted
Yeah,
the word. At this point, dili na worth i-post kung ingana mo mindset. Ay.
Wow!
Oh! Shit.
You don't have mana, I'm gonna change. Wait lang, I must swap.
Give some manner. Thank you for the manner.
Banner. Manor? Nor.
Manure.
Manor.
Manure. Give us some manure.
The frick? Oh, a
Biliban ako
bitch, bro.
City ani mga tao diri siya no.
Thank you for the manure.
They're meaning company.
Ow.
Ito, nagagigipon sila Jid about gankers and shit.
Pa ko ni check recently.
Kill the dogs, Paula. The dogs.
Or you wanted a pink dress? That sounds about right. Put on the dress.
Ano, boss na.
Lama, wait till you find out. Poy, kaya baka ang sa istoryan, they're forcing Thor, the god of thunder, to wear a pink dress.
Yes, please.
Ay!
No.
The conversation, it's Pride Month, don't hate. The conversation is insane.
Where is that?
I
What is
think
that?
Thor is a straight guy.
I agree.
It's blue.
Dito bag pong buang.
Please, okay. It's a blue manok.
Well, I gotta wear this.
We are gonna fucking get shit.
May
Don't
ano
be a
dito.
pussy.
Sila tanan mo bro. Yo.
Yeah.
Yan, kumusta ang fishing? Dira. Any people?
Gina-ignore na lang ako nito. What the frick?
Cute yan. It's a cute. Don't die.
Kiana's dying.
Ay, okay.
Ow.
Telephone ah.
Wow! Amazing! Can we
No,
kill?
manggod.
Magani.
Fuck. Kita tag live.
Okay. Wait,
Ako na lang, follow up yan ko.
can I skin that deer's first BRB?
Gunk Dance Paula kay ni skin og beer.
Ay,
Okay.
wait,
Hello?
I'll wait for you.
Anong money holder?
Hadlock.
Wait lang, laro ko tayo. Laro ko tayo.
Hadlock.
Wait lang, wala. Laro ko tayo. See, I told you, you dumbass.
Wow.
Bong, dumbass.
As man di ay out na ko.
Ayaw, please.
Yeah, nas
No,
black
please.
zone po.
No, please.
Remove,
Ayaw, manong.
remove from
Manong-
party, remove from party. Yo.
You fucking dumbass.
Wait, no, you just wasted money. Ano?
Bang, you wasted my
Naman. Ayaw, basta may skin na.
Paula's on a roll. Yo.
Ayaw na.
you fucking
Ano man?
dumbass.
Kani, dili.
Is tinag-level ko fishing siya, di man, di mao ka to man, di ang base ang i-level.
Oh, the other one, you were leveling the specialization.
Oo, the fucking, the specialization is 10, pero ako base ko
Bro.
6 pa.
Wait, what do you mean base ang level? Naglibog ko.
Sa fishing.
Bakit balik na pod ko na. Level 6 ako fish, mag level 7 na karon fuck fish. At least na
Kanang-
power ako fishing. At least
Oh.
na.
Karang thing gani jud that gets you to expert pag level 10, master 30 kana.
It's to use the items basically. Okay.
Yeah.
Tapos
So,
nakaon mo
na,
learn dito
boy.
sa specialization ka.
Kani.
Yep, wala na ka on sa base.
Wait.
What the hell are you?
Anong gagawin ano mo?
Yalay ko level 10 ko na. Hindi man ako
Ay,
ma-equip
dili
ako.
ni manok.
Red na
Dili.
fishing rod.
Yeah.
I look at the fucking chart like, oh shit, wrong thing.
That's a bullshit, man. Yeah, wala.
Malidon pod ka na
Ay,
na
oo,
like spasya mo level ba?
Ayun,
Pero dali
ayun.
raman mo level. Dali raman noon mo level
Ano yun,
ang kuan.
wait.
So consider
okay.
din nag-weapon ang kuan.
Hey, dire wolf from...
The hell?
No,
Yeah,
so
it's
weapon
terrible,
yung
like,
levelization. Dili,
Ay, no
first,
long
dili
man.
ka
Yeah,
na
ay, let's go back.
What the fuck? Kami lang naka-weird.
Fucking hell. I have to grind again.
Fine, you're on premium. That's gonna be fast.
Good money anyway.
30 learning points every day.
So, fucking fat.
Bad. You have bad case dreams and nightmares
Gani ha?
that sold for this premium.
Oh, yes. Oh, okay.
Just use your Steam credits, Steam wallet for this shit.
Sana magpagtamp. Salad to Dre, let's go!
We are so fucked.
Ah.
Oh, it's fine.
Ano bit ng magtamp? Pili tao.
Wala
Would
pa,
you
wala
say that,
pa.
Paula?
Wala, 0-5. Let's go. Napaisa din rin manok ko nasa ubos.
Oh nice, ali.
Lili.
Lele.
Lo.
Alelelelelele.
Nangita mo nag-away sila, puy. Grabe, puy.
Alelelelelele.
Oh shit, mali.
Oh, yes,
Yay,
mali ganyan na
what the
bot ka.
frick?
Alelelelele.
Oh my god!
Balo ba ka na? Kaya no nga, kuha na siya sa end sa finish. Finish line na yun siya mo. Oo, nanta.
Alelelelelele. You would have been single for 8 ass years if you just waited. Alelelelelele.
I will kill all of you when I get...
Dali.
You can.
Kumana man.
You will let
Uno,
go as mid strangle
Yeah,
like you
you're
did.
right.
Siya nga yun ato,
Fuck.
puy.
You
You
would
at the finish line.
You will let go of us mid strangle because you're
10 years natin.
Ano yun, sulod?
Years.
Oh,
Grabe,
When-
pala.
10 fucking years na.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's actually 10 fucking years. So ilabot sinyo ay 10 fucking years.
Wait, here.
Yeah,
We could go here.
Asa?
Dahil kaniyo ka ng seri test.
Going back to the
Solong.
corner where I first saw
Kanada dira.
Gotta have been a sleeping bag. Meow, 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 meow.
That's so random.
Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Cheers na nila duha bang kanang collage gani. Yawa ba? Ako na imo sa imo birthday boy.
Layo pang December.
I will choke the life mo reviewed dili tagaan tigag dagan kayog manok.
Sige
You'll
lang.
spit the road.
Sige lang, Jed. He will give up midway like he did her.
Oh yeah.
You won't die. You won't die. Trust me.
Daghan ba ya songs sa December? Like
Lang
last
niya.
last
Ano nga ba?
Christmas.
Like December Avenue.
Mm.
Is this?
Sad boy man kagyan unsa man eh. Shale hit.
Kills.
Ikaw mga sad boy. Uy. Meow, 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 meow. Biya ka. Meow, 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 meow.
It's tier 6.
Meow, meow.
Are you? Oh my god, Manok! Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. It's waiting.
Kailangan mo
Someone's waiting.
pala.
Someone's
Tier
waiting. Someone's
6
waiting.
heartache.
Ali, tiri Manok.
Nah, that was a tier 5.4.
Manok.
Ooh,
that's nice.
Atong gabi iyawa gito. Gaan na tag tomes putang shit.
Asa ta, asa ta.
Asa murag games siguro na Paula.
Can we kill him?
Inspect daw.
Wala na ko na
Inspect daw.
Can we kill him?
Go back in, be.
Balik daw,
Go back
balik
in. I dare you, go back in.
Yeah, nibalik ko, nibalik ko.
Usi.
Inspect.
Wait lang.
Pakalit na yung nag-dismount sa atubangan ni Paula.
Nawala, Manok! Manok, nawala, Manok!
Nag-invis na. Nag-invis. Ang laka niya. Balik yun dun sa
Yeah,
Paula.
no way. I'm going back. Goodbye. Ali, Manok.
Wala ka niya. Wala ka niya.
Sundan na dahil Paula ba?
Kaya mo na,
Ay,
ganyan.
kaya.
Hindi si Manok ang gisundan.
Sure
Kaya ko.
ka.
I don't know. Nawala siya. Nawala siya.
Befitting na yun dahil manok na nickname ni Paula sa yung is your fucking chicken.
Pa.
Yun. Tama na eh. Nanawag.
Your fucking
Ay,
chicken.
Northwest na lang ta.
Meow,
Ha?
meow, meow, meow.
Northwest.
Northwest.
O, 0-5 na.
Gaya nyo kita dungeon eh.
Sabay mo man ang
Nag-dungeon na,
anak
me.
ni Kuan.
Nag-dungeon
Ni
na.
Kanye West.
What the fuck?
Oh my
Ano na,
god, tier 8?
Tier 8 mo.
Tayo naman ng tiret Paula. Tiret ba tiret?
0-5, oh. What is
Tier-
that?
Tier 8 na first time mo ako and yung mga determination
Saan ang
ni Tier
power core? Saan ang power core? Manok! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Bang,
Go
chicken.
back,
holy
go
shit.
back, go back, go back, go back. 6 to 15.
Chicken sorrow.
Layo pa natin hinaptanay. Tanaw sa mga Paula.
Magani.
Why are you afraid of 6
we
to
are. Holy shit.
15? Don't be scared of 6 to 15.
0 to 5 na.
You know what? Nagtanong ko sa map. Tadapit.
We are
Siguro,
so
man,
bad.
ito.
Wait,
Be
saan
scared
ang
of
power
15 to
core?
30. You know what, Paula also befits
Ay, don't.
chicken
Sunod ako.
Okay.
scaredness.
Oh my god! Manok! Hello,
Agtira na.
gentlemen!
Pila ka buok Paula.
Say, tier, tier 4 man ako. Pero puro blue star, so we can't do that.
Pila ka buok sila Paula.
Duha. Gilabyan na rami. They're looking
Hindi
for
ayo
someone.
hilap tigil, abyan na gaya mo.
Di mo pa ginawa yun. Tier 4 na Kuan. Blue
Wala,
Star. Yata.
i-inspect lang ako. Hindi ka
Inspect,
inspect.
inspect. Nauga ng
Hanapin
baka.
sila. Tara manong. Tier 4 lang sila. Totoo dahil ay Blue Stars.
Wait, it's the same shape.
Di ka nito. So gani. Diritos, Inayam mo.
How about this Hurites? Oy, los.
Nana Jo Mario.
Ikaw, lead the way, lead the way.
Okay, okay. Okay. Where is... Okay.
Pag-delete po kaya natao sa likod.
Are you sure?
Yeah, isundan ta.
Fuck. Go right tayo yun. Pag sa Abalon yun, Rubier.
Lunch? Ito lang sa left eh.
We are so fucked, bro.
Basta yun, nasa left.
Kuan. Katong ganina ra gyapon. Tonos.
Straight na lang to.
Sige.
Ken, worth it ba
Skull Marsh naman
maggamit
gyapon na.
o
Ano sa likod, Polo?
on tier
Oh, okay.
1 and tier 2 nga hide?
Ay?
Oh.
Wait yun ah.
Pero man,
Para dali na harvest.
I mean like, perminti magyapon kung makakuha og ka ng plus.
Para
Without
mo
the
duha,
fight.
para mo duha ang plus.
Shit. Tapos yung magbalik sa kuhan.
Yo fucking idiot, di man gud mo duha ang plus.
Dili, more chances mo na ako pasabot. Ang ako pag-assume sa imo.
ay mali manok. Diri.
Ayaw mo, ano kami yung assume kang mo duha ang gathering bonus. Fucking
Yawa
dumbass.
mo duha.
Ano na lang?
Don't be like Paula.
Ay, kay balo man ka.
Ang
Ken,
bawat
potion
It's the
na
same.
makapas-pas o gathering speed o bonus.
Ade?
Na, kalimut
Saan
ko
na
ingon mo. It's blue.
Potion of blue.
Oo.
Yes, thanks.
Sorry na, good. Nai-gathering potion, legit. Nai-gathering potion.
Gathering
Pas-pas siya og kuan.
Sa ngalan sa potion. Look what
Ay,
you
laban doon.
made Sean do, Jid. You made him do.
215.
Ang kakaiba naman si Sean unsa nga potion.
Di mo
I told him last night.
Now he's back because you made him.
Dan, unsa ganito nga potion ako giingon sa imuha nga gathering?
I don't remember the name.
Why did your voice change?
Ana sa phone.
I am laying on bed.
Naka sa
Wow.
phone.
Mano.
Yes,
Yeah.
Saan?
I am using controller to play Albion.
Let's go. Up north.
Kanina naman na sila.
Kaya gisunod
Bay,
di.
paguro na sila
Hindi na,
Naka-dungeon
Sundan
na
lagi mo taman.
Naka-dungeon na we.
Sundan lagi mo taman-tama na.
Yeah, pilay nyo nakuha pala.
It's shit,
Kumusta man?
kaya it's blue.
Nice!
Kani, Polo?
Oh yeah, you're right. But it's tier... Never mind. Nani? Tier 5?
Tier 5.
Yeah.
Maot lang ang kuwan kay quality kay 1.
Yeah.
Yabot mo ta dire. North, go north kasi na bago nga kuwan. Oh, kani S na. Sulod ta og portal dire.
Oh my god.
Nya ngita na rabbit hole.
6-15 di ako. Ay, nara doon oh.
Kay on man kaya.
Ilang.
Sa CR.
Dalaan mo
we gotta
cellphone.
look for the...
Epic ko. Oh, holy shit. Dali Polo. Kay
Wow. Holy shit.
Liban.
Yeah, ma-hype na sila no.
Dinig
Yung
man.
ending
Ay,
ko. Ano
naka-shield mo
kaya
dito.
sunod.
Nara mo.
Sunda.
Yeah.
Ano ko shield pa mong go?
Ay, tier 6 na po. Nindot na ang tier 6 nga left. Would be nice.
Tier 7.
Tier 7 solo?
Yeah, the
Sa?
greater mists. This will be my first. Oh my shit. Oh, naikuha na oh. Portal.
Support na. Nya na.
Sa top.
Run around it down. Na complete na. Mangitutag mysterious stranger and kill him.
Are you
Tara, Day.
fucking kidding me?
Manggang kang
Okay.
buang.
What is that? What is this?
Help me kill this shit.
Okay.
Yeah, mo din ito listening ko ng list.
Yan na yung mysterious stranger mo abot.
Nakakuha kag kuan kanang fame.
Oo. Yeah.
The
Fame farm din kuan.
6.4 is still here. Again.
Sa mansion, 6.4 daw. 6.4.
Is this?
Dili pwede.
Look.
Night Bloom Forest. Ikon daw, i-search daw na.
Group dungeon siya. Libre nga 6.4.
Room.
Pagbalik.
We are gonna die.
Pagbalik na siguro nila kid.
You mean we already did the 6.4
Set up mo lang.
Isa na pa isa. One way.
Before.
Ay,
One
blue po.
way.
Pero,
with high
Ano tama
repair
ko?
cost.
unsay kuan niya ka ng
Die by
Pinal.
report cost.
Kamo,
It's the fame.
yeah.
Honestly, ang
Holy
fame bitaw
shit,
ang
that's
pa
so
siguro
good.
Kani na molder.
Ayaw na.
Joke
I
lang,
don't
wala
know what that is.
Oo, naman na kani,
Oh,
dahil
what
sulod
is
dani.
Saan ni? Nightfall
Abi.
Abi. Mag-Abi tanong. Makaya na tong Abi. Holy shit. God
Ay, dali
bless
raman ang Abi
Froggy.
Paula. Dali
Ano
raman.
pudili? Magunsa na day. Unsa day ka?
Wala pa, nakasulod na gabi wa pa.
I've seen it in
Bugo.
Na, wag mong ihana ka, hindi ka kasulod. What dapat?
Ang gali, like, the Abi is so easy, bro.
It's like a static dungeon na solo.
Oh.
Magani.
Ayun lang tayo.
Yes, manulod ani pa nagsa.
Chess
Kaya
galore
daghan
na
ba
darang
yung
Abi Paula.
manulod? Basi na sila diri man no.
Nabitaw no kani mga kalaban.
Idiga-igank ninyo eh.
What if it's a tier 8?
Bitaw, makita bitaw na sa map. I forgot.
Wala ga tier 8 sa mid 1 lock dun unless you are rich as fuck.
Kana. Wala.
The most I've seen people in the lock zone is a tier 7.
No, tier 7 ang pinaka-highest. Ug ang mga mounts. Mounts or may kuan, mahal sa Black Zone.
Imo na. Kuha
Whoa! Ay, di ba magkuha pa tag other stuff? Same ani.
Time farm di ba yun?
Okay.
Yung matutog tong wit.
Uy, yay! Sheesh! Yay ka manok! What a douche!
Wala pang block.
Yay!
Ay, fuck!
Nang gank mo.
Wala. Hopefully,
Wala.
kaya masunod diri nga abi.
Namusunod.
Ikaw,
Hopefully,
kukuha
high
na.
tier.
Hopefully tier 8 para may brood mode mundo.
Kuhanin ako.
Ayaw, natingan.
Sabi guro naka-insane. What are the chances?
Tier 8 na bear pose master. Gold
Yaw,
pwede na.
master o niya. Kuhan pag yun.
Gold pwede ang star sa weapon ba.
Masterpiece po din.
Isa ra naka. Pila ra guro mo ka swing sa isa niya ka ult ba?
Lagi ni ko po. Holy shit.
Padudin dire.
Yeah.
Adra. Ito man eh. Unerring Bone Archer. Di siya Nagkabalan ng mga minions na kuha ng thing.
Ay pa siya pwede ga-earn. I like you, how much you earn.
What's that herb?
Ooh. Oh my god.
What
I
does
thought
that mean? What is that? Sword
Are
lagi-
you not an English major? What the fuck? How do you not know the word
What's
earn?
that herb? What's an herb?
You're a Baptist teacher with an English major,
Think of
but does not
Baptist.
know the
No,
word
I'm
earn.
RC.
You're ones.
RC Cola.
Oh my
Wala
god.
naman Catholic yawa. Sorry.
Oh my god. Also this dude.
Can I have some of that, please?
My god. I am. Oh my god.
Si Mama na.
Sige,
Kuhanin
ano na
ako,
ito.
kuhanin
I'm
ako.
surrounded by idiots yawa.
I am surrounded by incompetent morons.
Yawa. Pinagit sa ko head ba? Si RC Cola. So,
What the fuck? I give up.
Hindi mo ito Bicol siguro ito kaya man lang.
Kung ito nasa ko head kaya naman. I'm not even fucking with him.
Man, that's a minor thing compared to Paula's
What's an herb?
Oh my god.
I you. From I don't know what it
Yate para or.
Mong nasa combined ba yan? Mong nasa combined. I don't know what it means.
Or
I know you're dying. Wait.
Oh my god, man. I'm so done with you. Someone gank me.
Whoa, why nako?
Let yourself die.
Ayan
You
to.
wanna listen to this
Ay.
bullshit
Kuha na ko.
of people erring for not knowing how to err. What I mean, erring plus not knowing what err means.
What's the spelling of Like, are you or are you not You are on him. Manok!
Are you err? I'm fucking done, dude. Kill me.
Hindi ko ganun makatawa kayo. Nakita ko tila ko. Matangin ako.
Say, well,
Whoa! What is this? Is this?
motherfucker.
Oh, is that what it means?
Oh my god. Kailangan hapit na ako ma-level 10 fisherman. Think positive thoughts. Think positive thoughts.
Sige, ano ba?
Where did we go back?
Oh my god. May my cup first.
Wala din sa ubos. No, wala may agyanan dire.
Layo pa mang Sunday. Yung sabi, karado, mo gusto?
Oh no.
Grabe po na.
Yes,
Wait, I will heal you, manok.
Dapat
Back pala.
Okay.
Kita ka ng treasure chest.
What does that
paampuon
mean?
si Kipoy.
yes, nak. Uli ka Sunday ha.
Not a sword.
And don't give up midway. You will make it home.
Yawa.
Mak, balik. Mana.
Ayun na, balik Puy. 10 years ago naman to Puy.
Yawa.
What the fuck? Ano, shut up, man. Ma 10 years ago lang ka pag maigaw ka ng job lagi.
What job? I'd accept a new job. What job? What job?
Ayun
What
na, wala
job
chest.
entail?
Because
Yawa, man. Yung
kita, okay.
I am
What does this
here.
job entail?
Job interview.
Okay.
Tawa mo.
How much we talking?
69,000 for $20.
Is that yearly or monthly salary?
Kana ba no? Question, why
Daily
is
salary.
420 weed?
What?
Why is 420 weed?
420?
Yeah, 69 is, di ba, kuan, a sex position, and 420 is the weed thing.
I-guard sa ni Paula kay makuhan ko.
I don't know.
Mga isa ko.
Okay. I will stay
Narabay
here.
mga bot laban dire.
Mugani. We're so fucked, bro.
Biya na ni Paula the moment makitag ka.
Mugani.
Diyan
Kitang pangalan niya.
Magang na skill ko ka rin.
3 minutes pa. Ay, 2 minutes na. Nice.
Bay, legit mo gid ako buhaton pud. Biyaan pud na ako siya. I
Dili
don't wanna
ako.
die with
Dili
you.
ako.
Oo, kaya ano kang amigo dito.
Dili ako.
Paula.
Dili ako.
Mas dato ka na ako. Yeah.
Paula,
Dili ako, okay. What is it?
tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.
Air?
Ugo.
Huh?
Naambot lang, Paula. Ambot lang.
Masigod si Sean, di ka
What
po
is
yun.
Irvin? What is Irvin? What is Irvin? Bro, I'm so curious. What is that?
You've been so curious. You're fucking English
I feel like
major.
you're overthinking this a lot.
Huh? You're
I
not
guarantee you she
a
doesn't
him,
know how to
you're
spell
a
it.
her?
What the fuck?
Wala akong pasabot.
Take your time. Take your time.
I'll give you till tomorrow.
What's the spelling?
Guarantee you she doesn't know how to spell her.
That would be insane. Yeah.
Balik ka dito.
Wow.
Ano malapit na graduation practice. Pero sa
No,
mga 8.
minute na lang.
Wala pa mo na-graduation sa mga to eh. Summer
Ha?
vacation naman, human naman ang graduation era.
Lahi man nga eskwelahan.
Yung mga state yun, human naman.
Magpining pagani sila.
Ay, pining pa day. Ay, itong OTRP ni mo na mga.
Yeah,
Ikaw mo pin?
dili.
Ah.
Kasi mapinted siya anin ra ko.
Ay, gani,
Kasi
dili
anin daw?
ikaw. Ay, gani, dili
Yeah,
Pero
pwede
di
mo
naman
kabulong
ikaw,
pin.
boy.
matusok na ninyo ba kay engineer hands.
Yeah.
Isa ko libat.
Oo.
Kita lang tayo again.
Yung,
Alam
Sa
ni ka.
mga apoy, ba?
yeah, duha man yung makita na ako kay libat mo.
Kitaan lang ni ka.
Yo. What the fuck?
Kitaan lang ti. Unsa na dire sa boss?
I don't know.
Blessing
Wow.
of shit. Back.
Actually, don't we see two people with this?
Tin-
Don't we see two people because we have two eyes?
Kisa na?
Oh my god.
The fuck,
Napagyapo ng 6.4 diri. Man, I've been rounding this map for so many times, still not respond.
Ang fish lang dara agad niya ay
Available lagi. Ay, wait
Ha?
lang. Unavailable.
Tatro.
Man na.
Boy,
Ano
sa
ba?
tong
Di lagi.
first I'm youngest.
Unavailable lagi. Wait, what?
Ayaw magi-cancel.
gisin
Atro.
lang na ni question.
Aya.
Busy pa sila.
Bang, don't give a shit daw siyan, bang.
Wala, di gyapon. Unavailable for
Did it
pressure.
involve X-ray yan?
What?
Ay, o kabuluhan na pula.
What the frick?
Of course, sa
Wait,
youngest ni
search
Kipoy.
Ito dyan?
Sa tong course sa youngest ni mo.
Arte.
Arty. Arty?
OTRP.
Oh, shit. Back. Uli na ta.
Is there a guy?
No, pero... Balik na tapit. Mo close na ng miss. 10 minutes man.
Okay.
Okay naman na mo close ang miss poy. Sulod laglain na wisp.
Magana mugawas na may... Ito na pala. Na 5 minutes na lang.
Namay na sa sulod sa miss na i-wisp maglakaw-lakaw. Just find one.
Naka-party mo na.
Magani. Naman may abi.
Nami Abby.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
If you are likely encountering pistot visual bug. You know what? Okay.
visual bug na ng mga kalaban ko.
Like,
Makauna na pala.
Yeah, ay.
balik.
Nakuha ni mo ha?
Mag-corrupted
Oo.
after this.
Peace.
Kung naman, kanang mga... Basta gani. Tom naman.
Yeah, true. Relics.
Sunod ka sa portal. Let's go.
Wala,
My
give me the
God,
relic
we are
if you don't
so
want it.
fucked. Wala, di. Nag-visual bug sa ako.
Ay, salamat. Level 10 na official.
Tier 5 na, let's go. Double.
Wait. Asa man ta?
Oh,
Skullmarsh Upper.
That's so
Aga na ng Skullmarsh Upper.
bad. Oh,
Mas sayun yun ay
Marsh.
yan ang kuan.
Ah,
Fishing kay mura mag weapon level instead of kuan
Shit. Balik. Sa
harvesting.
portal. May flux dire. Huwag yung gusto flux. Nga third to.
No one.
May lumber tier to.
ako, pero mo ko dia.
Aha.
May lumber tier 2 is like a
Think
birch
it's
tree.
here.
Okay.
Naramanok.
Ay sa tanas ito sa kilid basta na yung mga wisp mga need of rescue.
Aha.
Kailan na level sa imo ha? Cotton Ken.
Sa ako awat.
Cotton.
Levels ako, what, Jid?
Cotton.
Mutton?
Fucking the
Rank
the one
4.
where you're racially
Manok? That's Blue Star dude. Oh my god, goodbye, bitches.
Kasi ko tabangan lagi.
yeah, W friend Paula yeah.
Ikaw, Kwan, release the thing.
W Ganker,
Okay,
this is
okay,
2v1
okay.
ni Hawa.
Ay na ni mo. Gawa ba?
Yeah, Why would we kill this dude?
Kaya na may solo encampment man ni Paula. Dili ko tabangan lagi.
Asa.
Why not?
Salamat
Manok?
Paula.
Oh, Mr. Stranger.
Yeah, no, fuck that shit. That's tier 6 and a star, Blue Star mother. Ay, no.
Sige, back na ta. Bak na ta. Wait, murag nag-styling naman to siya.
Oo, nakakuan. Sana
Ako
man
pa ni
din.
mo no. Ako pa ninyo no. Kuan na. Hulata nga mag-away sa encampment pag malaw na patya.
Yeah, ano naman no. Kasi ano ang...
Paula, help.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm dying.
I am here.
Dying, help me.
I am
Dying, help me.
here. No,
Nice.
wait! The dude! Rig!
Na siya?
Niya to sa pikas.
Yeah, you know what, fuck it.
Tier 6, so yeah, Blue Star.
Pangita mo ato ba? Pagita mo ato.
Ay! Oh!
The other dude was 4-star. Tier 4 din, pero naka-Blue Star gyapon. Fucking hurt.
What the fuck? Why is fishing bait
Pero
so
mga-
expensive?
Oh, dira day ang kuan. Ila.
No, sa... I mean, never mind.
15k, what the fuck?
What the fuck? I was thinking 1,000
Undrift
or like
cost? You know what?
at least under 10.
Let's go!
15k niya.
God.
For 10, pag
Fuck are
like
you gonna
10
do with that?
fish lang worth for 10 fish lang magamit. Oh, nag-leave si Kipoy. Mauna, Paula, mauna. Mauna, Paula, giaway ni mo yung mukha uban. Ni
Wala, yeah, there was a ganker.
Wag, ibiya. Paula, ay.
Thanks. It's a 2v1 pa, gidiyaan.
Yeah,
Thanks sa
tier
2v1,
6.
gidiyaan.
Tier 6, so yeah, Blue Star.
Siya labot kung duha mo. What the fuck?
Uy, did you die?
Wala. Narami din rin ibalik.
Sundrift coast, quality 1. Garbage.
Can we go to another? Nanami ko, no? Portal.
Ulit yun. Wala. Ato sa portal doon naman nag-konde ay.
Tara.
Pag nakalimot na po kung kaon sa akong food nga gipalit.
Nice.
Ako wala. Kap dire.
Is a bullshit man.
Jesus.
Nice, dude, nice.
Get in.
Portali.
For Kalimdor.
Nawala lagi.
Oh, not sa taas. No.
Okay.
What is this?
Kasos, ayos room.
Weird ass names, bro.
Casa de Babano.
Oh, hide. Wala dungeon. Ay, dungeon manok. Wala.
You mean a rabbit hole?
Yeah. Oh yeah, nalagay. Does that count? Kana?
Dili, din na mo. Group na, group.
Oh, okay. No, siya.
Nanas Jomari guys.
Kuha na to na tong 6 point something dungeon.
Upat ta.
Wala
Duha
man
ka
si-
DPS station ug ako.
Namas Jamari.
Okay, duha ka DPS.
Ano ni Kipoy?
Wala pa man
You want us to do
nakabalik.
that?
What is this? What the? Pinitis a sorum.
Five nights. I awesome. Tier 4?
Oh, na dungeon, no?
Trust? Siguro na tier 4 man.
Wait, gosh.
I don't know. Ano wala tier 8 na pay?
Naoy, meat pie.
3.14 naman ang
Walay
Pidgeot.
mamaligya, ano? Walay mamaligya nga tier 8 na pay.
Aha, manok.
Naman, meat
Aha.
pie. Nakapalit, kiskipoy.
Meat pie, dili.
Meat
Pero
pie.
mag-
pork
Ang butang
pie.
kong pie, unya ako ikuan og tier 8. Karang sa map. Sa
Sino,
kuan
Temtem?
dili. Sa
Meat
kategory
pie.
na ko ibutang.
Meat pie, nakabuta nga. Meat pie.
Ako na lang i-search later. May mo gamit Ken.
No. It's the same as pork pie.
Pila ra difference day.
Wala.
Putang unsa na pulos siya.
More expensive.
Tier 4. This is gonna be bad.
Pag-fishing na ako black zone. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Dagano na to pag sentiment.
Tara.
Kada ya, balon yan na fishing rod.
Cut naman sila.
Yeah, probably.
Na-adre, what the fuck? 659k, what the fuck?
Oh, pariharan na pag naiabalon niya na kuan.
Wait, okay. Go get the pop. Yeah, ay nga manok. What a... Ay, sige. Yaka.
What a gay shit. Oh.
Ala!
Pusi.
Yo, see?
Ay, naiba! Kuhanin ako. Thank God.
Happy buff diri ah. This place has a ton of buffs. For some reason.
Ito itsura sa gold chest.
It's bigger than the purple chest. Naman ko sa
Really the same chest but gold ang aura.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh.
Purple na nga gold.
Alright!
Gina-
Yeah, ay.
Please boss na. Wapay boss. Asking.
Kung nga na po nindot mo na sign kay para kuan baka guarantee mo.
Wala, it's a shit done rabbit hole.
Tier 4 man.
Yeah,
Tier 4 man.
Putang ina.
it's not worth it.
Kanya ba't nag Tier 4?
Yeah, natingali ka ni may abalon yan. And yeah, tier 4. Oy bro, you're dying! Oh, wala din. Nag-finish.
Tama na
What the fuck na golem?
God.
Damn, this dude's rich. Yeah, this array item, ang estimated market value there.
Purple?
Ang golem na ano.
Oh, purple. Ooh.
Hinay man ang galok, ano?
It's a battle mount, yeah.
Ang pangita ang Beetle, pangita atong Beetle nga mulupad diawa nindot kay Token.
Crystal Juggernaut, battle mount, steadfast golem that excels in large scale warfare by breaching enemy lines. Item power 1-1. Nila nag-spells na eh.
Yeah.
Na battle mount gallop. Silences
Wait,
you.
naman pala ng testingan.
Okay.
Aman to.
Increases
Kaya
gallop.
Christian.
Bago ning Crystal Juggernaut. Karon na yung kitang daghan kay nga ni diri sa Limhurst karon.
The fuck?
Wala na timingan lang. Ganyan pa kita na nila.
Roving Bastion. Aning Bastion tay tag 1.5.
Atong Beetle lagi.
Tier
Nindot
6.
ang Beetle.
Paula, bili na kadira. Tanawa kung paano ba.
Ah, okay.
What? Na
Ang
tier
kuan.
8 na Crystal Colossus Beetle. 53 million, my fucking god.
Why am I here? Nindot man dito sa Gold Shimmer. Putang ina, nama ko diri.
Ikaw na Paula.
Wala
Malot
pa.
na.
Say
Nope,
Behemoth.
wala pa.
my gosh.
What the fuck? Ang behemoth kay Meteor mga ang first kill. Napagay smoke screen. Second tank. God
O, na,
damn.
pwede na. Pwede na.
I mean, battle mount.
Wala.
Yeah, pwede na. Ooh. Pisto, balik si Manok.
Crystal Tower Chariot.
I here for a
Okay, what you got?
I got a divine stuff. I don't know what this is.
Man, I wish we could be as rich as the people buying this and battling with these.
Divine stuff.
One day, Ken, one day. We're gonna get there.
The fuck who the fuck spends 15 mil? Ancient
47,000. Ah, therefore.
Juggernaut.
Five.
Ano yung mga torch, oh? Ano yung blue flame? Therefore.
Enchanted pagid. What the fuck? 461 million for an Elder Command Mammoth. Tier 8 na Mammoth. What the fuck?
Ish.
Battle Rhino. Gold Battle Rhino. Naaguro yung mga tier 8. Ano ba? Wala pa lang nakita or wala gibaligya.
Gabi na, gikipra na.
Gani. Ano yung mga crystal version na ng gold ng mga mount. Eh, gold Battle Rhino pero wala yung crystal Battle Rhino. Meaning, keep pa nila.
Ah, ganit. Dagikan po lagi kang nag-south, no?
Nakapuhunan na modera, Poy.
Yeah, I got some blue flame malay kay no. Pero tier 4.
100k na, Poy. 3.4, 4.3 na. 100k na.
Kung 4.3 pero
Oh.
it base kay I forgot how much.
Pila
Ay,
day,
Silver Goliath.
Pero base
Nay,
rank.
dako na Spider, Jid.
Kanang
Battle
kuan,
Spider.
horse eater, yeah.
Yan, Horse Eater. Napoy Swamp Dragon na. What the fuck? May Swamp Dragon na. Battle Mount. Flame Basilisk. Venom Basilisk. Kaning Phalanx Beetle. Ako gusto ni Bay kay kaning kuan. The Juggernaut.
You wanna walk around.
Walk around
Uy,
with
hina-
the corner.
Hinayan mo ko sa mga battle mounts, Ken. 20,
Yeah,
30 na look.
Hinay magiging sila, they're tanks. With a lot of HP and a lot of skills.
Ane. Wala, maragikan na dali, Paul, ah. For you to... Ayaw ito.
Ang eagle na siguro
Yeah, I
yung
think
worth
so.
yan.
Ay, na-dungeon man ako. Wala. We
Ano naman,
haven't been
sino sa
here.
Eagle?
Maka-fly ka with the eagle for like 10 minutes.
Dungeon.
Fly?
Oh, Dolra.
Oh,
Go!
Yeah.
Pas ang galop ni mo, ano, pag maglupad ng eagle.
Wala naman, kuro sila na kuan battle gallop na skill.
Yeah, but the difference is ang flight, na may duha ka kuan, duha ka mount na flight. Ang
Gallop naman, Jit. Dire
Ang-
gallop.
ang isa na kay
Ano, mas-
Bito.
Kuan mo dito, ah.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Makalupad ang Bito pero like grabe kag effects like grabe ang vulnerable.
Mora man dire, silence. Mora man sila. Battle mount gallop na skill. May fly
So,
dire.
no.
Cover
Another
obstacle.
day.
Kuan
Ana,
ang
game.
Bito.
Ang bita
Ang
lang
bita
na
lang.
movement. Yeah, ang bita lang na
No,
movement.
no.
na skill.
Here.
Muna bay nakita ko na naggamit og Beetle ganiha ken sa bank. Grabe ka fucking tulala ra gud ko ato. Like, what the fuck? Unya naglupad-lupad siya ba? Nagusa
Na, purple?
Yeah, it's a purple. Oh.
Ande, dito kalaban.
Ang pinakamahal, Crystal Colossus Beetle. 54 million.
Holy fuck. Ay, mammoth anak ken.
Na. Elder Command
Ay,
Mammoth.
wait. Change ko to BTS.
How much? I feel like that's expensive. Way more expensive. than-
462 million.
There it is.
We're not dungeoning. Okay. I close application.
Di na ka matug na ka kyan.
No, I'll just stay here muted. You tell me when we dungeon.
I'm also waiting.
Sige, galat ninyo.
If and when.
Mag-dungeon.
Stephen yung nag-CS. Wala siya kaupan mag-CS.
Kaya ano. Wait, no, that's this first. Nice.
Di man na namo sala, Paula.
Siya ganaan, I'll buy it.
I don't know. Plan. I think karag ako gay feeling Paula na force na siya mo kuan. Mo play kay tungod dula ta. Yeah. Kana ganing like mapugos lang mo dula kay ni dulang uban type shit. You can't force him to play, but like if you know he doesn't want to play, he can't. Oh, he won't. Not a good.
Wait.
Di ba ikaw una nag-Albion Jid?
Oh, nag-Albion ko balik.
Na force raman mi tanan.
Excuse me. I didn't force you.
Oo, na force raman mi tanan for like pila ka weeks.
How the fuck did that happen? You can always stop. Huh? I didn't tell you. Ali guys, kailangan tamo. I didn't say that shit. I told you nga I wanna reach tier 8 mo nang gusto ko on my own with Albion.
Sa to, sa to para 6-7.
Roku na na.
Pisash. Ano pala, Rukunana. Better than 6-7.
6-7. 6-7. 6-7.
I'm gonna send you to the glory hole again if you want. If you yapin.
Imulut. Imulut, manok.
Paano na?
Okay. Ay, wala na ko. Wait lang. Change ako. Oh no.
I get it. I got it. Fuck you. Oh, nanayid na. Sorry, guy.
Ano kaya mo dyan? Fish?
No, I killed uncommon na kuan animal unya na din toy like really rich guy nilabay. He tried niya patay.
You're doing asshole gathering again.
Actually, he was the asshole.
Jid, we're all asshole gatherers at this point.
Hey. I know when I am an asshole and I know when I'm not, okay?
Well, not yesterday.
Yesterday, I admit it. I was the asshole in the mist.
Ah, boss na.
Oh.
Go.
Kani.
What? Point 3 na, di ba? Anong boss na mo?
Ato na may tier 7 na. Ay, tier 6 eh. Tier 6 di mo na.
Sige. Sige na.
Eh.
Dali ko na mga rabbit hole. Dead! It's not.
I'm here, it's here. You won't die. Reset na lang. Shit!
May reset direct. At yun na sila.
Wala ko yung
Ah,
mana.
oh,
You dumbass! Wait.
Come as
Sheesh! World! Ayaw! Ayaw, manok no! Ayaw, ay! Ay, na-survive pa niya. What the fuck? You fucking monster mo. Duwa man nakabawakan ni useless tricks. Thank you.
DPS na eh.
Yeah. I am mana girl right now.
Kapak na ko eh. Kumana.
Okay.
Ha? Ito na magkuhan ka ng Demon Hunter.
Huh? Shit. No, ba
Guys,
na?
manang change to man kuhan. Ay, iwan ako mana.
Wala na, ako'y mana.
Uy, boy!
Here. Yeah,
Ako ba naigoy na ulit?
what do you mean? It was my plan. Yeah, I have no
Alright.
plan of broski.
Sige na, log in, log out si Jumar eh.
Net.
Signal.
Signal?
Oh my god, it's the bitch.
Purple. Nice, let's go.
Wait lang. Okay. Pamanasak ka. Ow.
Ako daw ako mapak.
See? What?
Kana, bantayan na. Muna pinakasikit niya yung skill. Huwag kanipod.
La, I'm just gonna mana.
Banta mo lang.
Hindi sa tika.
Doon ko na ko.
Saka ka na ako.
Bantay.
Yeah. Di sa. I have no mana. Awa.
Play.
Yeah.
Yawa, Shan, I finally found what a rare wisp looks like.
Ano ko? Ano ka?
Marasig normal, di ba? Pero pag mag-trail na siya kay blue.
Uy, you're
instead of
gonna
like white.
die. Shit, balik sa ko.
Ayaw. Hindi ka na. Ambay na natin.
That was useless. Anyway, I'm inside the
Ay,
mist.
maka.
Please.
164,000. Let's go.
89. What the fuck? Yeah, ay, but it's
Talaga,
naka tier
okay.
6. I hate you so much.
Premium,
89.
baby.
You asshole.
By the rich get
I hate
richer and the
so
poor get
much.
poorer. Yeah, quite literally.
89k raw ako. Wait. Manok po sa tabi ko. Ano ko premium, please.
Hindi na daw na mag-block zone si Kipoy kay Old Man Sleep.
Please.
Tugo naman ko.
Please stop na rin. Ayaw sa please.
Pag Odin Sleep na si Kipoy.
Oh,
yeah.
duha na ka dungeon. That was the... Yes. Wait, are you serious? Like, serious? Are you really serious?
Oh, niulin ako. Let's get the fuck out of there.
It's 68. Yes, thank you. Pira imong bayad.
Hindi
Wait a minute. 100k ba ya if abalong yan? You liar.
Okay. Okay naman ako.
Shan. Ano saan ang turbulent mist?
Jeez, that's 68.
Did he fall asleep?
Isn't overcrowded though.
Uy, unsa ang turbulent mist?
Kuan, ay mo gawa sa nang wisp. Sunod mo i-rescue.
Oh, so like weekend na kuhan wisp. Nailain makasulod
Okay.
dira.
Unsa na, pila lang ka minutes naman ay countdown.
1 minute.
Ora tira na kung nakay ikaw Raiza.
Magtambay ra ko ngadto.
Good luck. Narabay mga tao pun nga magustuhan na. Mura na nag-create.
Wala na.
Like this,
Wala na,
this is
guys.
yellow zone. Naunsa ni siya diri.
I'm gonna play Valorant.
Oh my god, you're playing Poison.
I play Valorant because Marvin invite me.
25.
What the fuck? Leo. Install.
Yung mag-install pa siya balo.
Install ako Riot Vanguard ako na install.
Okay.
Gidi uninstall mo na ako Riot Vanguard every time.
Ay, di man na turbulent. Weekend Wisp man dahil na po putang shit. Sabi na ako like,
Kung imo na i-rescue pa dun.
dili abi na ako musulod kag portal ya ay dali ra man na.
Oh. No, it not. Imo na i-deliver dito sa kuan iya home.
Yeah. Yellow zone, mapod ni
Wala,
police,
nana ka?
Wala, ro na.
Yeah. Anak ko. Tara,
Ay,
tara.
ikaw.
Nalagyan ko Riot Vanguard installer dali.
Wala.
What? Ito.
Awang connection. Yung mo nag-iwan yung premium?
Yeah. Mana. Asa ta?
Okay, yes.
Nagkuhan, overcrowded daw. Mo pa na sa imo. Region overcrowded.
Safe portal lang to, safe.
Ah, sige.
Yeah, dagan kay tao dira.
Nagaligta ako kaya
Dili na gud mo load ang kuan.
Nag-safe portal na ka manok?
Yeah, nag-safe portal ko. Magngita rata kung asa ta mag rendezvous.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, ako sa iyo. Actually,
Tama restart na.
Yung mga-
You're gonna
Ay,
play
wait.
the devil's game. Good luck, man.
Yeah. Nakagad ang Indian.
Yaw. Recorded ba niya?
thirst. Yeah, igibalik gyapon ko thirst water step. Manok.
Ako sa fire sink trench.
Fire sink. That is so
There we
far
go.
away. Fire sink. Ay, dili. Dili. No. Fire sink, caldera na lang. Mag-order. Fire.
Wait, doon naman dito mo ko.
Eh. Pero, fire sink, caldera na lang. I guess.
Sige. Let's go, fire sink caldera.
Wait a minute. Tanawa na yung nag-away si tanang banner. Yan na ay
Fiction war.
yeah.
Saon man na nato ron.
Lahi na lang.
Paula, dula ka Valorant, Pao.
Caldera ragod. Ato ta caldera.
I want to.
Nanamay na ganit kaya. Para dili lang siya alone niya.
Ayaw. Balansan ako si Manok. You gotta make money.
Ayaw na best
Money.
Dunggabon kang kipoy IRL.
Pagbalik ni Sean ba kay Yawa, what are you guys doing?
Where am I going?
Ano, master
Uy, ano
living cane.
nag-install o
Nag-mute
restart
ako because of my sadness.
What the fuck?
and felt the disappointment pag ingon ni mo ato yan.
Oy,
Ana ka pala, wala.
be
Wala,
disappointed in
naikuan,
Paula who
6:15,
actively
6:15.
plays.
Just
Do you
6:15.
actually log in from time to time, Paula, in Valo?
Wala. Not. Ang last na ko play katong kita.
Not
Sa
anymore
keyboard.
since she plays Albion now.
Albion og DN
See. That laugh here, foreign bitch.
Understandable.
It's true, dude. It's fucking true. Not
I
anymore.
can't
Good thing you
deny.
got
I
her
can't
Albion.
deny.
Gidelete na ninyo ang Albion. Ikaw ang Albion, ang Valo.
Ang
Wala,
Vanguard na ako
wala.
delete. I just
Wala
delete
akong
Vanguard.
delete. Wait lang manok.
Sabay na lagi. Wala ka nila.
Si Paula, si Paula.
Ay, dili na sila gi-transport manok. Mga tong green.
Nag-Albion. Ana ko siya, umudula siya. Naka-open mic, de ko. Sorry. Dili, Valorant, Albion.
Wait lang mga. Asa ka manok? Fire sink caldera.
Ano yan?
Dagan tao.
Muapil na tana siya, Marv, pero naka-black zone man sila karon. Sa Albion PvP area. Di sila kahawa.
Yeah, ay 6 ay dili day. May balik kog 05.
Yeah.
Umayon na po kag 6, 7.
650 do ta. 6 7 na lang ay
Yeah.
615.
Yeah, online like you pick whatever class you want, level up, Mara. Then
Whatever.
RPG lang.
Uh,
Sandbox na MMORPG. Yeah, Albion Online. Dagan kay ads, yeah, that one.
lang manok ka, 6 to 15. I am so freak.
Ito may hawa.
I don't know. Si Keanu.
Oh.
Faction Wars?
Wala kayo ulit tao sa purpose.
Yeah, wait. Nag-faction wars sila diri?
Tanaw ka Paula.
Kung na magamatay, yoink ang mga dead bodies.
Pag-invis lang mo.
Okay.
Wait, seryoso, mag-yoink ka.
No! La, 0 to 5 na. They're dead.
Fire Sink Caldera, wala tao.
Wait lang. Nana ko. Ay, ano, portal?
Pero dili na ito i-take. Ito to speakers.
Please be hide here. Please be hide here. Yes! You're 6 na miss.
I am here. For you. Wala.
Abangan foxes. It'd be great. I should kill these things. What the hell am I doing?
Yan, join.
Yeah, no, I think.
Wala, 6 to 15, wala.
Oh my god.
Ang tagal.
Pumunta. Can I go here? Wait lang manok. Wait. Are you lagging? Oh, sheesh! What is this? Dili ko ka-take.
Okay.
Ano man?
I broke it.
You dumbass.
You guys kill someone?
I didn't treasure. Oh my god! Can we kill him? Wait lang.
Ang sama na.
Kuan,
Ray,
tier 4, pero naka blue star.
Takada.
Okay.
Ayaw, tingala rin niyo po.
Si Manok raw ang naka full star sa ako.
Ay, pag naka-stun Paula, perfect na kay pakapakan na ni Kipoy.
True. Tagay stun si Manok. Yeah, makasurvive
Ako may na-stand. Ano ka skill?
Wala yung stun si Paula.
Isa lang.
Alright, follow me.
Oh, nara.
So, na, Winnowes, priority shit. Okay.
Rarity
Take one, Rhea. 4?
No.
Wala na. Wish, common.
Nay blue.
Priority kay shit.
Blue Manok power core.
Tignan na, I love day.
Okay.
Para na sa, I think, hideout.
Ikaw pa na side out.
Tulo na mo na itao sa hideout. Patay lagi ka.
city?
Para na sa hideout sa mga kukuan. Kaya ang mga hideout kailangan mo nag-power para mo under siya.
Guys, ugma ba? You guys, mga... Oh, wait.
Where are we going? Ay, dili ta. Okay, okay. Yan ang kita mo ato dito nga
Kill it.
pumunta. Kill what? We are so fucked. The last time we did this, we died.
Dilim na may sa botro.
Okay, okay, okay. Tanaw sa
Agay.
I-check ran ako ang gear niya. If ever. Ready your... Ah, wait. I-change na ako. I-invest na ako. In case.
Hindi mo invest ko lang nga potion.
Dual lang. Unya, isa pagka-invest nga. Tara, let's go, let's go.
Saka. Kanang
Oh,
mount,
shit,
mount,
shit,
mount.
shit. Naitaw. Yeah. Go back, bros.
Lock.
Yeah.
Lock. Ilagay mo, ulo na.
Wala ko.
Pero gilabay naman siguro to.
Yeah. Wala po ko ka-inspect.
Pero 6 to 15 man.
Ay, yeah, you're right. Let's go.
Invest na.
6 to 15 man.
Or padung pa na mo kuan siguro po mo cross. What if di ay?
Liba, malabay ra to. Like fart in the wind.
Patilids.
Skedaddled. Asa ta? Wala may portal din.
Okay, pang
Okay.
looking for something abbreviating. Ay ko na ila pod gi kawatan nandere ah. Shit man.
I think so.
Kaya taon jud ang mga person no.
The chest manok, we're so fucked.
Ha?
Chest. I didn't.
Just dapat ka na lang ta. Dagulayo mo road.
Aray!
Abot ka mo.
Yeah,
Dire butang yung mount ang mga house the horse dire.
yeah. You ready? Sana ko kumain, please. Wait. Shit! Aray! I am dying, baby.
Skill daw sa
Summon sana ko.
ito time pang Ano na pa?
Wala.
Nagdarap. Boy,
05 man,
Shit.
05. Shit.
hindi ba?
Wala ko
Malaki
i-
kasi nga po ang kalaban.
Please. Wait, 8 seconds.
Mabonda.
Stationary lang. Aray! Ilan na lang? Lapit na.
Oh, ano yung premium, no?
Yeah.
Ay. More fame. More fortune. Fortune po. Mana siguro nito, kung mana ni, hindi naman. Ilan? Bah,
On 102, 77 over 102. Oy, oy, you're dying. Yeah, hindi agad.
ano to?
85. Nasa ubos, oh. Dito.
Ano bet?
Diri, diri.
Oh, okay.
Lock. Lock.
Mana?
Yay! 97.
Man!
Ano na?
Ano pa rin na to?
Can I summon? Wait, summon sana ako. Yeah, it's kitay. What the fuck? Aray! Aray! What the freak?
Yan, pagod ko. Uy! Ste.
What happened?
Naglag ko?
Eating the skeleton.
Sagdira na yung Cryomancer. Dito na to sa kanang... Tatya ra ng skeleton.
Di na lang, diri.
Ale, ale, ale.
That one. Yes, one. Oh.
200k ako ah.
I forgot kung sa to ko. Isa ni Smuggler's Coin.
Sagdira na, ala, labte.
Quick to move learning gagawin eh.
Okay, let's go. Pila na? 6 to 15.
Zero, 05 na ulit.
Okay, nanonood naman na sa hideout.
Wag na diri. Dagani na sila diri.
I don't know.
Oh. No manok. Pristine. Tier 6.
Wag na yung ako. Kasi kusabdan.
True. Wala siya pati.
Ano man ako lang.
Oh my god. May isa ka dude dito. Oh.
Tawag ka.
Wait. Lag ko. Sheesh! Oh my god, that's so many! Elder's Heavy Crossbow. 437k. Tara, ay dili lagi ko ka-take. Unavailable for treasure loot. Ano siya yung meaning on?
Ano wala?
Wait daw, tingnan na ko. Na, unavailable for treasure loot. 506k on pro.
Is it like a
Will become available in 1 minute.
patay ka diha?
Kasi pasabot ano.
Pagulat pa mo.
1 minute daw. Ay, wait daw.
Diloy!
Dili,
Mapo naman kita duha.
yeah, maable naman. Tingnan na ganit ko. Yo, nindutay ra pa.
Patay ka
Nindutay ra pa manok. Wait. 506k. Yay, asa ra ka makakuha 506k in a day. No, 48 seconds. We'll try. 48 seconds. Manok. Go back.
Anda mo invest
Naidud na. Oh my god, yeah, I'm going back. Fuck that shit. It's coming towards us.
Kaya nga.
Hello. Ay, wala. Nibalik siya. Aww, grabe siya ka-kind. Wow.
I don't know if that's kind or nakita na pod mo niya.
Mao na tong same dude ganina. Di gyapon manok. Ay, wait. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Ay, nagpalpitate na nas Paula sa
I know, right? Oh my god.
Pop.
Dili gyapon. Fuck.
Nakayatag nimo.
Nakuha ni mo? Ay, di ka.
Nakayatag nimo. Ato sa tanahan.
Okay.
Wala lang ta.
Okay. That's a good choice. Boto nga dude. Uy. Itan-awan naman to. What the freak?
Wala, no one is kind. Do not assume. What if he thought you had
Love na naman medyo.
Wala ano ba?
Diti ka makitaan. Asa ka?
Overcrowded gyapon.
Oh, region overcrowded. Limhurst. Kuan na lang ko. Limhurst. Something. Limhurst.
Kado Glimmers.
Yeah.
Adile Glimmers. Ano dai? Padra ning Conqueror's Hall adile. Glimmers jud ay. Ato dag Glimmers.
Yeah. Region overcrowded. It's sa mo. Oh, what the fuck? Here.
Ano ka Limhurst?
I am here. Dari.
I-restart daw na mo Albion Paula basing mo na nakakos sa dili ka makakoglot.